We got Dan here spackling today. He's gonna coat my back room so I can move into it.
This is the operation of Mike Gottlieb flipping houses where he moves from one room. So here, let's show everybody how it's gonna go. Let's show everybody how it's gonna go.
MGP.
So what we're gonna have is Mike gets this room ready. I come in, I spackle it, he sands it, he paints it. And then basically what we're gonna have is this will probably be his kitchen.
Yeah, I'm not bringing the kitchen in here.
This will be his bedroom.
All right, so a little history lesson to explain what Dan is talking about here. Mike is now on his third live and flip house. Kudos to Mike because it's a lot of headache to live in a house as you flip it, but Mike is an insane workaholic, so yeah. Anyway, Mike's first live and flip was a small rancher in Trevose. This one took him a few years because he was still working as an apprentice plumber back then. Just some of the work that he did to that house. New structural beams through the basement to prevent the house from sagging, a French drain in the basement, framing in front patio to add square footage, removing the stucco and re-siding on the house and on the detached garage, and completely demolishing the inside and making it look like new. We're talking new sheetrock throughout, new paint, new windows, new bathroom, everything. All the while Mike was living in the house. Mike's second live and flip was in Croydon. I actually thought Mike bit off more than he could chew on the Croydon house. It was a wreck, but he got it done and did so while living in what would become the master bedroom. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of the room, but this is what it looked like before we fixed it up. Mike practically rebuilt the house from the ground up. Complete internal demolition, redid the roof, added a dormer, redid the siding, new HVAC system, added a deck to the front and back, one bathroom turned into 2.5 bathrooms, and all new everything inside. Now onto the current live and flip in Levittown. We're only about halfway through this project, but here's a quick view into what Mike's quote-unquote room started as and what it's like right now.
This is the room that I'm living in now. Custom shades or blinds. My office right there. This is where I sleep. This is the closet that's not finished yet. My custom light. And this is where I'll live until the end of the house, until I'm finished the house.
This is what Dan is talking about.
Somewhere by that window where the outlet is, we'll have his office.
I really wish I had footage of the old Croydon
And
house.
he'll live in this area for the duration of the project.
And he'll move out when it's all done.
And it'll get crazy. So when you come in, we're gonna have to do another video when this is all done. His setup, how he has it all set up. He has an air fryer, a microwave, a little mini fridge. He's got everything set up. So.